Find out how easily display your name or custom text on your phone's lock screen. All you have to do is open up Play Store and search name wallpaper, name wallpaper maker selected. Select the name wallpaper app and select the install option. To the install done, open it and close the ad. Now you can select any one of these wallpaper. I'm going with this one. Now, select the text option and type the text you want. I'm gonna type Manju and then select done option. Text has been changed. Select the size option and you can increase the size, decrease the size as your preferences. And line space you can, if you added 2 or 3 lines, you can increase or decrease the line space. And go to fonts and you can change the font style. I'm going with this one because it looks good. And after changing it, select the text color. You can change it if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. And lots of customization option are here. It's not needed that much. Select the next option. Close the ad and select the set as wallpaper option. And you can either select one of these option, guys. I'm going to select the home and lock screen option and wallpaper set. Now you can close this application. And as you can see, in my home page, I have wallpaper changed to the name wallpaper. Now I'll show you guys how it looks in lock screen. Let's close and open this phone. It looks damn good, as you can see. And you can enter the phone using this. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.